இயற்கை குணம் மாறாத பாலசங்கா அக்ஷயா பருப்புகள்.
கோவிட் வந்து ரொம்ப மோசமாக போயிட்டுருக்கு அண்ட் நம்ம அதுக்கு ப்ரிகாஷனாக இருந்துக்கணும், நம்மளை நம்ம சேஃப்டியாக பார்த்துக்கணும். அதுக்காக நம்ம எல்லோரும் மாஸ்க், சானிடைசர் கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ் பண்ணணும். எல்லாருமே மாஸ்க் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கள், க்ரௌடில் போகாதீங்க. அண்ட் உங்களை நீங்களும் பாதுகாத்துக்கோங்க, உங்களை சுற்றி இருக்கிறவங்களையும் சுற்றுச்சூழலையும் பாதுகாத்துட்டுருங்க எப்போவுமே.
Hi guys, cherry tomato from my garden and also kale. See, I'm cutting kale fresh from my garden. Can you imagine this? This is the cucumber that is grown in my hydroponic garden, and these are all rocket regular leaves, and then of course I have a lot of other leaves which are like basil leaves. So with all this I'm going to make a salad and it's going to really taste yum. I'm just going to add some cheese and maybe some carrots. That's it. I'm going to have a great salad.
The Rainforest Commission is back with its new lockdown report. Our inspector has just returned from COVID confinement, so a quick check. Everybody seems to be doing well. We have our hibiscus. I think we need to give up hope on that hibiscus and instead focus on watering the rainforest regularly. Then we might have better success with residents. Our euphorbia isn't as euphoric as we would like, but we will not look a gift horse in the mouth, nor will we look the euphorbia in the, well, whatever. Well, let's look at Miss Javandi. She's looking quite hopeful, except the background song seems to be Na Settu Pole Chamanda. All the immigrants that shared space with Miss Lily have gone home for this lockdown. We wish them safety, health, and look forward to having them back again. I'm sure Miss Lily agrees. Valli seems to have a predisposition towards flirting. Now, this Valli was given to be by a friend. Now, look at this. There seems to be a romance blossoming between Valli and Vrikshi. Excuse me? What business is it of ours? What other people are doing? We do what we want to do, let them do what they want to do. Some people can be such nosy parkers. Okay, let's look at Kalli. We originally thought it was a table plant. Obviously, no one has this bigger table at home. It's growing bigger and bigger every day, but we are quite happy with the growth. And the constant encouragement that we gave to our little stubby red flowers has borne fruit, flower, because they are looking quite healthy and lovely. The inspector reports that a competition rages between Kutivera and Valli's cousin for the attention of the Pushnika chedi. We are monitoring this battle closely and we will update you about the results in the next report. Speaking of Rowdy Vera, our original Rowdy Vera is flourishing in the mini rainforest. Although one of our other residents seems to be withering under criticism, that's regrettable. The Rainforest Commission condemns such cruel, insensitive behavior during these difficult times. Mysterious basil which turned into holy basil. Holy basil. Basil. Hey, pronunciation le tadigitome. Never mind. Let's move on to the next story of hope. Here is a resident who deserves our appreciation. Look at what this resident seems to be doing. Blooming quietly, defiantly, despite everything that is going around. Fighting the guilt of being okay when others are not. But we need to appreciate the hero of the mini rainforest. His refusal to give up despite the blows dealt to him is absolutely laudable. The delay in the Rainforest Commission report during this lockdown has partly been attributed to the fact that the inspector had to spend time applauding this admirable show of resilience. And if that is the reason for the delay in this report, the commission has no objections whatsoever.
Aval Glitz channel உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க and மறக்காம subscribe பண்ணுங்க and கீழ இருக்கிற பெல் ஐகானை பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க.
வார்த்தை ஆப்பை இன்ஸ்டால் செய்யுங்க, இந்தியாவின் குரலாய் மாறுங்க.
இயற்கை குணம் மாறாத பாலசங்கா அக்ஷயா பருப்புகள்.